In this video, I'll be sharing with you this amazing scholarship opportunity made possible by the United States. This scholarship opportunity is open to over 150 countries for students interested in pursuing their master's and PhD studies. Perks include tuition fees, textbooks, travel costs, living expenses, and health insurance, visa fees, settling in allowance, as well as a computer, depending on your country. Sounds interesting, right? Watch this video till the end to understand the full process. Hi, my name is Sylvia and welcome back to the channel. Click the subscribe button to subscribe to the channel. Also like and share these videos with family and friends. Scholarship opportunity is made possible by the Fulbright Scholarship. So this is the official website of Fulbright Scholarship. It's open to both US and international students. So as an international student, this is the website you'll be exploring because here you can see Fulbright Foreign Students Program. And this program approximately accepts 4,000 foreign students every year. It gives over 4,000 students, foreign students scholarships every year, and it operates in more than 160 countries worldwide. The program is being administered by the Fulbright Commission or the US embassies. So basically, before you make this application, you have to select your country to check if your country is eligible. And when you click here, it has over a lot of countries, several countries: Afghanistan, Albania, Argentina, Azerbaijan, Burkina Faso, Croatia. So many countries are listed here. So this is the first step you have to do to check if your country is here. Once you click on this link, it directs you directly to this page where it shows you how to apply. So basically, this is how you're going to apply. It's offered, this program is being offered for foreign students and as well as foreign language teaching assistant program. So if you're interested in language teaching assistant program, you can as well apply to this. If you are not on this list, means that your country is not eligible for this scholarship. And for the purpose of this video, I'm going to select Pakistan. So here I would select Pakistan, and automatically it loads for me the addresses where this is located in Pakistan, and this is the website. And for those that are interested in the teaching assistant program, you click on this website. But because I'm interested in the master's program, I'm going to click on this particular link to direct me to this portal. On this portal, this is the United States Educational Foundation in Pakistan. So here you can already see the various programs here. This is the Fulbright Masters and PhD program. Please do well to check your country. It's possible your country is also offering only PhD, or it might be offering both Masters and PhD, so it depends. And while on this web page, I can already see the 2024 Fulbright Master and PhD program, so I would hit on this apply. But as well, I would like to point out for those Pakistanis that here you can also apply to this Humbert Humphrey Fellowship, but I'll come to this in a bit. You can apply now. It brings me directly to this page. You can see the Fulbright degree program current status is open and the deadline is until the April 12th, 2023. And this is what this program entails. Please do well to go through this and understand what they require here. But here it says you're ineligible persons with a dual citizen, that is US Pakistani, you are no longer eligible, or you are employed by the Fulbright organization, people who have already availed one Fulbright award, you are not eligible, or persons already studying in the US, you are not eligible. And how do you apply? You apply by simply completing the application form, providing true reference letter and a GRE score report and scanned transcripts. And here it says incomplete application will not be considered. It says please note that paper applications will not be accepted. So please, all the applications are done online and it's free of charge. Before you start your application, it's important to just read through what are all these important things. So quickly check the important questions. When we want to apply, you have to understand what this is all about. And when I click on this important question, it directly brings me to this page. Thank you for your interest in this program. Here it explains what the Fulbright program is all about, and this is the award. And here it says the grants. The grant funds tuition, textbooks, airfare, a living stipend, health insurance, vis-a-vis a computer, and self-learning allowance. And here it says how many awards to be awarded. Over 150 awards to be awarded. So the eligibility says, do I need to have completed a bachelor's? And it says, yes, you need to have completed 16 years, 4 years bachelor's or 2-year bachelor and 2-year master. Next says, I want to apply for PhD. Yes, it says you need a master's or MPhil and a minimum of 18 years of education to be able to apply for a PhD. Can I apply for a master's leading to PhD? And the answer is no, you cannot apply for master's leading to PhD. You can apply for one degree only, either a master or a PhD. I want to point out also, is the TOEFL also required with the application? It says no. TOEFL is not mandatory with the application. Only selected candidates will be required to take TOEFL. So at the time of application, you don't need to have your TOEFL, but when selected, they will require you to take the test. The next important question I want to point out is, if I'm selected, can I pick my university in the United States? It says no. Experienced placement professionals at the institution would match the Fulbright with university. So basically, when you get selected for this scholarship, they would match you to a university in the US. So you don't need to stress yourself applying to a university. All you need to do is to make this application, and once selected, they would automatically give you the particular university that best fits your interests. And it says, what is the deadline? The deadline is April 12th. Does it cost anything? No, it doesn't cost anything. Applicants should fill their forms on their own and submit online. Do I apply online and also send application in paper form? It says no, only online application is required. Paper applications would not be accepted. So after you might have read through all of these and understood what you're about to apply to, all you need to do is to hit and start application. And here you can already see that you're already at the point of making this application. And if you already have logged in before, you just enter your email, but if not, you start a new application in my case. And here it says, enter your email. Please be sure to check your spam or junk folders for the login details so that you can be able to continue your application. And basically, this is just it. Please let me know in the comment section if you'll be applying to this particular scholarship. I would like to hear your opinions. Like I mentioned earlier, if you're a Pakistani, please also check out this 2024 Humphrey Fellowship in case you've not heard of this particular scholarship. All you need to do is just to hit and apply. Status is still open, so it's currently on, and the deadline is April 18. So please do well and also go through it and see if it is something that you are interested in. And the grant is also covering tuition, airfare, textbooks, living stipend, health insurance through the important questions, letter of reference, and all you do is start your application. I think this is pretty much it. I didn't want this video to be too long. Please subscribe to the channel if you have not done so, like and share this video for others to benefit from it. Drop your comments and concerns and I will respond to each of them. And with this, I want to say thank you very much for watching and see you in the next one.